So guys, if you are getting the 400, that is an error message while opening or accessing Gmail or Google Drive, and refreshing the page doesn't help, just go to top left of your browser, right next to the website URL. You will see a small lock icon or something a range style icon depending on your Chrome or Edge browser. That is the View Site Information button. Click on it. Click on Cookies and Data. Then go to Manage on Device Site Data. Now click on Manage Site Data. Chrome Site Data setting will open. Go to Not Allowed to Save Data on Your Device section. Check if myaccount.google.com or account.google.com is blocked. If yes, click the 3 vertical dots next to it and select Allow. Now restart your Chrome browser again and your problem should be fixed. That's it. Stay safe.